Well, alright guys, that was super fun. That was the zip line at Perfect Day. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Mariner of the Seas Cruise Vlog episode number 6, guys. And well, welcome back. I know if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys seen the last episode, because this basically leads all the way up to right here. It's happening, guys. We are going to be riding the zip line at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Super excited, and again, super excited to ride it. I'm going to show you it as much as I can.
If you are carrying any personal
without further ado, let's go do the zip line at Perfect Day. Move! Oh my god. Painful. Oh, here we go. Well, guys, this is super fun again. This is the zip line Coco Cay. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it all right. I am shooting vertical right now, which I am hopefully in post this is able to turn out all right. So yeah, you guys see the final result. If it's really weird, it's why it's in vertical. But yeah, we're doing the final one. This is the finale. Here we go. Fun. Well, alright guys, that was super fun again. That was the zip line at Perfect Day. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this zip line, guys. And if you guys did enjoy it, hit the subscribe button. I didn't ask you guys to do it yet, but if you guys haven't, hit the subscribe button. And when you're down below, smash the notifications bell. But yeah, we're gonna go head back. I'm gonna have to drop all this gear off. After I do drop off the gear, I am gonna go head back to, we're gonna head back to the ship. So yeah, without further ado, let's go drop this gear back where we started and go back to the ship. Well, alright guys, we made it back on board the Mariner of the Seas, and now we're heading to the Flow Rider. Well, alright guys, that was an awesome time on the Flow Rider, and I know you only had one clip of the Flow Rider, but I was riding it, guys. Again, made some great people, and well, I'm happy to report that was a great session. Now I have to go get ready for perform night, because performer night is tonight, and also we're passing an Oasis collection, which is super weird. Now here's why. We're literally less than a half a mile, maybe 2 miles from Coco Cay. And if I know my Oasis class schedules like I should, an Oasis class ship should never be near Coco Cay or anywhere close to any of these ports Tuesday. So Yeah, it's really weird because if you guys know Oasis class, so you leave on a Saturday and a Sunday. So this is really weird to see this Oasis class ship here in passing us at right next to Coco Cay. But okay, we're gonna go back to the cabin right now and go get changed. So yeah, you guys should be seeing me. And all right, guys, it is official. I'm ready to go. I think we're going to the Diamond Club. I think that's where my friends are. If they're not there, we're gonna go do something. So I'll let you guys know right after, well, I don't know, right after this. Hey, we're here. Hey. Here's the menu. I showed you this on the first day when we did the room tour, but again, here it is. I'm gonna pause it for you guys so you can imagine this the menu. I know you probably didn't get a good look at it, but go on the Cow & Egg website, it's there. But I got a Coke. So we have about half an hour-ish till dinner, so yeah, but hey y'all, well it is guys, it is now time for dinner, and main dining room is Formula Night here on board the Mariner of the Seas. And yeah, it actually guys, technically it isn't a Formula Night, it's called Wear Your Best, so it basically is a scaled down version of Formula Night. Now again, it does depend on your sailing. Also, if you're on a 4-night cruise or less, on Mariner, Navigator, they don't really have Formula Night, guys. Now, if you are on Oasis class ship or 4-night, they still do have Formula Night. And also, traditionally with Royal Caribbean, Formula Night is held once a cruise or Wear Your Best, whatever sailing you are on. Again, guys, I just said over there, it does depend on your sailing, but if you do want to see prior versions of the cruise compass, go refer to the internet. And again, it is an amazing source of information about your cruise. Now, again, one of the perks of Formula Night is you're able to take some photography in your best outfits, or in your, I'm not going to bore you with photos of me taking pictures, so we're going to pick you guys up at dinner tonight. Hey y'all, we are here in the MDR, the main dining room, and we are going to have some dinner today. Menu, guys, we got the tomato soup, Greek salad on the menu. We got the Asian style pork tacos. We got the grilled tiger shrimp. We got the steak Diane. We got warm donuts. We got tree leeches, apple pie. Here's what I'm going to order for our dinner. Well, alright guys, it has arrived. Our appetizer. Let's give that a try. It tastes like tomato soup. That's right, guys. Pretty good. Well, alright, guys. It is here. And because we're back on Mariner for a second time, I'm having this entree for a second time. Okay, it's the spaghetti bolognese, but I think that's how you pronounce it. But well, anyways, we're gonna give it a try. You guys already saw 2 episodes ago, this vlog. I had this, so go back and watch that one, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. But anyway, we're gonna see you at dessert. Hey y'all, I'm back here. Now it is time for dessert. So I got the apple pie, like I said before. I love the apple pie. Favorite dessert here on the Royal Caribbean Classics menu. Also, I got the warm donuts today. I'm gonna let you guys know how that is. Now, they're not the breakfast donuts, they're the dinner time donuts, so just if you're expecting round donuts, they're not. I got also like 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. I only asked for 2, but wow. Let's go eat the food, because at least we did not get 14 desserts. I saw someone who got delivered 14 desserts to their table, so glad we did not get that happen. Well, guys, I didn't really record a lot, but I finished all my food and I'm stuffed now. I was going to plan to go to the midnight buffet. It may still happen. It actually is, I call it the midnight buffet, but it really starts at 10:30. But I was going to do it last night, but I was really tired. I couldn't stay up till 11, so now, guys, we're probably going to go play some ping pong. Or, you know, you guys remember last night I was going to go play it, but it was super windy. The ball fell off the ship, so hopefully tonight I can play some ping pong. So well, guys, I'm out here right now. I know you can't really see it, but right over there is a very pretty city. So it's like Grand Serb Key over there. Let's go see over there. It is such a pretty night here with the Mariner of the Seas. You can see some other ships way out in the distance over there, right over there. So you can kind of see that. But honest goodness, guys, such a pretty night. on board the Mariner of the Seas. Well, alright guys, that was an amazing time on the ping-pong table, and I'm so glad we actually had the chance to use it due to it not being windy, guys. But right guys, we are making our way to the room. I was gonna say flow rider because it is running currently the adults only. I think this is the 36 plus flow rider session. But you guys, I know you guys can't see it because I'm using the GoPro now, but we have the Carnival Sunrise, I believe, right over there. So here it is. Well guys, that was very cool to see the Carnival sunrise. So again, I'm gonna go inside now because I know the lighting's not the greatest out here to do the outro, but yeah, that is it guys for Mariner of the Seas episode number 5, I do believe. And if you guys are new here, or you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right down below so you guys will basically be notified, and click the notifications bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video in this Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog series. And coming up tomorrow, we are in Nassau, Bahamas. This is one of 2 port stops on our cruise. Again, today we're in Perfect Day at Public Haven, but tomorrow we are in Nassau, Bahamas. I'm Tyler, and you're watching The Tyler Show.